In this lecture, lecture number 5, we are just going to make the project custom list view exactly as we have downloaded from the internet, and the output is like this one. So we have list, we have picture, we have a view, we have a description, and then when we will successfully copy this project into our project, then we will just change the images and description. That is the idea right now we are going to do. So for this purpose, we will just create a project, for example FMC list view, something like this. So we just click on the file, new project, Android application project, and click next. So I will give the name, for example FMC picture list view. So FMC picture list view, and then we will choose Jelly Bean because I have Jelly Bean installed. You people will choose according to your API. So and then the rest of the process is just simply same, next, and finish it. So the app will be like created. So now we have created the project like FMC picture list view, it is there. But if we come to the custom list view, we can see that in layout we have 3 files. So we will close all the files from here, and then we will double click on the activity underscore main in custom list view, and it look like this. So we will control a copy, and we will go to our FMC picture list view, and here under layout, under activity main, we will paste it. So control A and control V. So now we have one same file as we have in custom list view, and then we will copy rest of the 2 files from here to our FMC picture list view. There is a shortcut. Instead of this, that I will create file, new XML file, I can directly just like highlight this, like select these 2 files with the help of mouse or whatever control, and then highlight it, and then right click and copy and go to the second project. Here click on the layout and right click and paste it. So those 2 files are right now in our project. So now we have done with the layout. So we have 3 files, close everything. So one step is done. So we have our project, okay, we have layout, okay. If we just see the LV row layout, it looks like that, like this. Okay, so now we need to create the source file or the Java files. If we just close this right now, resources, if we come to the source, we can see that the source has 3 files. Okay, so we must have 3 files because we are just going to make a clone, like exactly copy paste, and then we will change it. And it is a very best practice when you are doing your project. If you download any project from the internet, try to copy exactly as it is in the beginning, and then later change it as per of your demand. So main activity is the first activity, and I will just copy this class into my main activity. But if you see it very carefully, main activity, it extends from list activity. So and other main is like our main that we have created is extended from activity. So what we will do, we will just like copy from list, copy all from till end. I will copy the code, control C, and I started from list activity. Please see that last curly bracket is just remaining there. So I will come here and I will just select here this, and from this point, so only I will paste it. Rest of the 2 methods like on create option menu and on option item select, I will not just remove it. So control V. Maybe there will be errors, we will see how we can fix that errors. So right now, for example, we got this, and as we have pasted, and it's showing us that import net.learn2dev. These are the packages from the first folder. So we will just delete these 2 imports. Okay, so delete it. So now, and as you delete it, you will fix that errors. but still there are a lot of errors like pick 1, pick 2, pick 3, pick 4. We don't have these pictures, so we will add the pictures from the first custom list view project to our project. If we go up and if we see the resource here, MDPI, we have these pictures. Same thing as we copied the resource, we will just like highlight, pick one and press the shift button and arrow button, select all the pictures, and then right click, pick one, copy all the copies, and then we will go to the MDPI file. Where is MDPI? Resource, and here is my MDPI. Click on MDPI and then right click and paste it. So, and you can see that the errors are finished. So now we have finished that errors or like fixed it, and now we are just missing these errors: advanced custom area adapter and advanced custom area adapter again. So these are the two files that we can see in our source. These are the files. We have to add these files as well. So what I will do, I will simply click on the shift and arrow, I will copy it, Control C, copy, and I will go to my Java source, and I will Control V. I basically copied wrong, but let's see. I will just, it's better that sometime if you copied wrong, then you can like put it down as well. So now I will press Control and then I will move it to down, and same into, because there is no default package, I don't want to copy the files in my default package, so I will delete this default package, delete. Okay, so now you can see that there is no red sign in my Future list view. So everything that we need to copy we have done, but one thing just like we will try to run it. If it's working, fine. If it's not working, we will see what kind of error we are getting. So it's just very straightforward steps, copy paste and khalas. So I will run it, right click, run as an Android application. It should look like this, so that we have like done here. Just one second. So in part 2 we will just like change our pictures, and then we will add web view and other information that, for example, when we click on any item, it will display that this item has been clicked.